Hello, welcome along. I'm getting tired of this, it's a long day. Thanks for joining us on this video. Now we're installing rotor covers onto the customer's bike and we're almost done with it. We're going to be installing these LED ring of fire onto it, which is red, amber and blue. And let's go and install them. Quite easy to install. They come with all the fixtures and fittings that you require. It's just a matter of unbolting the two bolts at the end of the forks, and we have the LED ring of fire installed onto them. So we'll go along now and install them. Okay, the first we'll do is install the brackets onto the lower fork legs. So let's remove the two bolts at the end. And make sure you tighten them, but don't over tighten them. I've seen cases where the bolt snaps in the leg, then you've fun getting it out. Nice. So it goes on like this. That bolt and up on the leg here. Yep. So we removed a caliper cover. Okay, you get our boots. First thing, we have this bolt going up through here. Behind. This is the fidgety one, there's always one somewhere. And there we are, we have it. So by taking off the caliper cover, you've got access to that bracket there. Put that one up there. And get our cover back on. Line everything up. Do. Throw all the screws in loosely first before you get everything lined up. Right, now we deal with the wiring side of things. The strength tubing is very handy. Can use insulation tape if you don't have any. Just keep the wires tidy. wiring is a small bit heavier than we need, but it'll do the job fine. It's all insulation and everything ready for us, so we use this. Now, before we put the cable up, I need to check something. I'm not sure if we got to tighten the bolt in there. We don't want to fall into the caliper. We got to tighten it. It's always better to double checking if you're unsure. Just don't forget to secure the wiring into the disc cover. Again, don't want to get them tangled up with the wheel or with the brakes or anything like that. So make sure they're all secure. And we'll throw back on our caliper cover. Then we go wire up onto the switch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. Right, now we've brought the cabling up into the glove box area where we have the wiring from the switch block, which we're going to use to power up. And we're going to have to find ourselves a neutral. Okay, there we are, that's our neutral. Back one. So we want this one. Yeah. So the yellow one are the one we're going to tap into. Now it's going to hardwire in this for the moment. If the customer is going to want more things added, we could put a switch into a firm later on, or a block of some form. We'll also use this then to fix his secret socket that wasn't working. And that's all done. Turn her on, check it all. And the switch. And there we are. Okay, that's the ring of fire and the disc cover is now installed, and it does brighten up the front of the bike nicely. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and it's goodbye from Paul.
With